Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. First of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and if you've got the buttons, simply tap on this square icon. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all apps which are opened in the background. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and then swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this kind of groom icon, simply tap on it, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.